Welcome everyone to the Global Debate Competition. So it's a debate competition for the grades 5 till 12 in particular. Your body language, voice modulation, confidence, your thought structure, the way you are presenting the debate, your ideas.
Imagine having a library, a classroom, and a support group all in your pocket and accessible anytime and anywhere you go. This is social media, which is a gateway to global knowledge.
Talking about AI tools and AI taking over jobs, we can clearly see that according to a McKinsey report, it is reported that AI is predicted to add a staggering $13 trillion to our economy just by 2030.
So my question is, do video games reduce time children could spend bonding with family through activities like board games, outdoor games?
I think it was quite the interactive experience.
That's wonderful. That's great.